Welcome back, everybody, for another video. I'm going to try to keep this video very short and simple, straight to the point, guys. I know and I respect your guys' time, and I appreciate you guys clicking on this video. Make sure you guys leave a like on this video. It helps me continue to create this amazing free content for you guys. Make sure you guys check the link down below to our free chat, and let's begin. Tesla, of course, you guys know already, I am not a buyer up here at 467. We found out yesterday. I mean, stock was already coming down on the 4-hour. I was already predicting it to come down even more, sub 400. That crucial support level we had here, and then we had the news that it was going to get added to the S&P 500 immediately. This was right around 420, I believe, when it started catching fire, and it hit to the highs of 467. And of course, there's going to be a lot of back holders, in my opinion, in my eyes, and people trying to just get out, lock in their profits, especially for those who bought after hours. Just take your profit, and this is coming down to 440 right now, which is still not too bad. Looking on the 30-minute, we still have some decent support around the 430 level, so I think that'll be a decent support level for tomorrow. And especially today, the low was at 432. That could be a very solid support level we have going on to tomorrow. On the daily, above SMA, above EMA. What more can you ask for? This is beautiful. Still above the price I'd probably get in with a decent amount of shares. So I'm probably going to wait to see what happens with Tesla. This gap up here kind of left me a little iffy, I think we could come down even more. Hopefully, if not, if I'm wrong, then we'll see what happens. NEO, which is the next one that just reported earnings. They beat earnings, still in the negative, but not as bad as the estimate, which is causing mixed feelings, mixed emotions right now, headed into their conference call, which begins at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, according to Thinkorswim. So I think that's going to have more of an impact than the earnings themselves. So we're going to see what happens. But nonetheless, it did have a decent push to 49.37, almost towards that whole number here at 50. And then again, followed by this massive sell-off of traders not wanting to just hold into the earnings, which 100% recommend, guys, don't hold into your earnings. This is not the best. I mean, what did it close at? Right around the 46. It's not that far down from there. We've seen worse with tech earnings a couple weeks ago. As for a buy, I want sub 40. I want 30s and 35 as my entry price. But being realistic, from support we've seen here, even on the 15-minute, this $40 mark is gonna be a support level that's gonna play a huge important role with NEO. So I think it's gonna get bought here, guys, at 40. And if it does crack under 40 tomorrow, I've been looking through message boards. There's a ton of mixed emotions on this. If we see sub 40, this is going to be definitely my number one on my watch list tomorrow, guys. We'll see what happens with the earnings call later on today. Another one that I've been watching is actually the pharmaceuticals. CVS, Walgreens, Amazon decided they're going to, hey, we're going to open our own pharmacy. So Walgreens took a dump today. Let me see. On the 15-minute, it's looking like it might double bottom here on the 15. If not, watch that 40 breakout, because it could definitely reach 41, 42. In my eyes, not the biggest room for profit, but we'll see. On the other hand, we have CVS, which is a little bit more appealing to me after the fact that it closed lower today. We see that descending triangle here, and if we see a break in pattern, we can possibly come down to 62, 63, where the next support level is. But on the 4-hour, it's still under EMA. Can it pop up? Maybe test 69. We'll see. If not, the great dip entry would be around the $62 mark. And let's take a look at DraftKings, which was another one today that had a very decent move. And we've been calling this one for the last couple of weeks. It's hit SMA right now. It's at EMA, above EMA. Beautiful, beautiful ascending triangle with higher lows, and it had the resistance here that broke at 43.50. Now it's testing SMA. Can we get in on a pullback? This looks like a very decent, strong trend line before we reach back to 53. So watch a dip entry right around the $42, $20, $30 mark. And I'm still waiting for some of these stay-at-home stocks to come even lower, but they just don't seem like they want to come any lower. I'm still waiting for P-Ton to at least come sub 90s. It's testing EMA here on the 4-hour. I think it could come up, possibly cup and handle to 108, and then see a retracement. But hopefully, I'm still wanting these lower prices. Zoom is another one. This one actually still at EMA. Can we see a triple bottom right around 376? Again, I think the support levels are going to maintain, but if it plays out on our best, on our interest, we can see 350s, maybe even 300s a couple weeks from now. Who knows? The vaccine news is also going to keep coming out and rolling out. We have the stimulus. We'll see how all that affects these stocks. And Netflix being the last one here. This one, you can see how many times it's really bounced off the 470s, $468 mark. That's why I have my alert exactly at this price. I'm waiting for this lower price. And we've gone like 2 chances to get in. That first spike to 515 and then that huge rally to the $520 mark coming off the lows of the 470s. But then immediately followed back by another push down. So patience. And of course, Alibaba. Before I forget, we cut our loss on this one. It's only showing down 12 bucks on the day. But overall, I think we just lost like $100 or so, 112. Nothing too crazy, but stuck to our plan. Right now, we are on the brinks of collapse. Again, this descending triangle, I said, guys, if it comes down 257, we are going to be selling and it close towards the lows of the day. So I think we sold around 250 in this first drop here, actually, right here, 257.30, if I'm not mistaken. Doesn't show here anymore, right? Let's pull this up really quick. I just want to make sure. Yeah, Thinkorswim has been glitching lately. It doesn't even want to show me the price I bought or the price I sold at. Okay, yeah. But yeah, we cut this one, so this can come down even lower. Not to say I won't hop in again, so Alibaba, keep that one on watch. Other than that, guys, that's pretty much it for this recap. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure once again to leave a like on the video, subscribe so you won't miss any of the videos, and leave a comment down below with your thoughts, overall market, your plays, your potential plays. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the channel tomorrow. Thank you.